A very good morning, class. I am your social science ma'am, Bhanupriya. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy. So, students, today's topic is natural calamities. Students, today's affirmation is all is well in my life. So speak with me, all is well in my life. Today's chapter is chapter number 14, when the earth shook. Shook means to vibrate. So aim of the lesson is to learn about different natural calamities and their consequences. And second one, to know how to prevent natural disasters. Let's learn more about this chapter through PPT.
Students, now I will be discussing more about natural disasters. So let's learn about natural disaster. Disaster caused by nature is called natural disaster. Natural disasters cause huge loss to life and property. Now children, here are the some natural disaster. For example, wildfire, earthquake, flooding, drought, etc. Let's learn about natural calamities. First is flood. Flood occurs when water flows beyond the normal course of the bank of river and submerges the surrounding areas. That means overflowing of a water in a river is known as flood. Next we have drought. Drought may be defined as a condition caused by shortage of water due to lack of rain for a long time. It leads to scarcity of water. In simple words, we can say that when a place gets very little rainfall or sometimes no rainfall for a long time, the rivers and ponds dry up. This situation is known as drought. Next is wildfire disaster. A wildfire is a fire that starts usually by itself in a wild area such as forest and spreads rapidly, causing great damage. Next disaster is earthquake. Sudden, mild or violent shaking of the surface of earth is called earthquake. It occurs in those areas where Earth's crust is very weak. Now let's discuss about preventive measures of natural disaster. First is early warning of possible natural disaster. Second, more and more trees should be planted to prevent drought. Trees also act as a windbreaker during a cyclone. Environment should be protected. And the last one, construction of embankments on riverbeds to prevent floods. These are the preventive methods to reduce the impact of natural disaster. So let's talk about the organizations working for disaster management. There are many government and non-government agencies work to provide relief to people during natural disasters, such as NGO, non-government organizations, Red Cross Society, WHO, World Health Organization, and UNICEF, United Nations Children Emergency Fund. Police and fire brigade also provide valuable service during such times. So students, this is all about the chapter Natural Calamities. Thank you so much. Take care.
So students, I hope you all have understood this concept. Thank you so much. Take care.